All right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information on cryptocurrency, GPU mining, staking the coins, getting your rewards, using the credit cards to get your Bitcoin cash in rewards. Today, we're going to be talking about AMC, the movie theater that's accepting cryptocurrency. Again, this is going to change the way everything happens. Cryptocurrency is not going anywhere. It's going to be here forever. More and more things are making it happen possible. AMC, this is gigantically big. We're going to go through some AMC today. What's that going to do to Dogecoin? What's that going to do to Litecoin? What's that going to do to Bitcoin and Bitcoin Cash? That's right. When everything, as more and more things are accepting these, what do you think's going to happen? It's going to keep going up, up, up. Don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up and coming videos. Couple things. I'm not trying to talk to you on WhatsApp. I'm not trying to basically get money from you. Those are impersonators on my channel. I'm not trying to contact anybody on the WhatsApp stuff. So all that stuff, it's not me, just giving you an update on that. So with that, one of my visions again is every single person on the planet having cryptocurrency by AMC, allowing people right now at the end of the quarter, the fourth quarter, to be able to use cryptocurrency to buy their movie tickets and their popcorn and this and that. This is going to make it possible that every single person on the planet can have cryptocurrency and use cryptocurrency. So let's go ahead and dig into some AMC. All right, we're over here at Yahoo News, and let's see what they have to say about this AMC.
Another step for the mainstream adoption of digital currencies. You'll soon be able to use not just Bitcoin, but other cryptocurrencies as well to buy your movie tickets and concession items at AMC theaters. Adam Aron, the CEO of AMC Entertainment, said in a tweet Wednesday the cinema chain will start accepting Ethereum, Litecoin, and Bitcoin Cash in addition to Bitcoin for online purchases by year-end. The announcement comes just 1 month after AMC said it would start accepting Bitcoin by the end of 2021. Many big American companies are jumping on the crypto bandwagon, even as environmental concerns grow over the consumption of energy to mine digital currencies. Analysts are also skeptical about day-to-day use, noting that people are not buying Bitcoin to spend them. El Salvador recently became the first country to adopt Bitcoin as legal tender, but amid a bumpy rollout, people have protested against the move, saying the digital currency is not stable enough. On Wednesday, protesters in San Salvador vandalized a Bitcoin ATM. Shares of AMC, one of the so-called meme stocks embraced by the Robinhood crowd of retail investors, gained about 1% in early trading Thursday.
All right. So think about that. AMC to accept other cryptocurrencies along it. All right. Again, AMC to accept other cryptocurrencies other than Bitcoin. Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum Coin. Let's take a look and dig into this. Another step for the mainstream adoption of digital currency. You should soon be able to not just your Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies, as well as buy movie tickets at the concession stand and AMC theaters. What is this going to do to the coins? The announcement comes just 1 month after AMC said it would start accepting Bitcoin by the end of 2021. Many big American companies are now jumping on the cryptocurrency bandwagon and the concern over the consumption of energy. El Salvador basically is now accepting the Bitcoin. Also, jumping over to this article, crypto reaches the theaters as AMC moves to accept Ethereum, Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash, and Bitcoin. So again, a lot of good things going on here. Yet in another signal that cryptocurrency has become more of a mainstream popular theaters, AMC has announced it will start accepting currency. So think about this. When AMC, you can pay with your cryptocurrency, and yet you go to AMC and you're like, you know what, let's pay in our Ethereum. And then all of a sudden you go to Sheets to fill up your gas station, you're like, you know what, let's go ahead and pay in Dogecoin. Are you starting to see it? Okay, so we've been talking about the AMP coin and how that is going to just, in my opinion, go up, up, up. Don't forget, on this channel, all the information is for educational purposes only. But when more and more things are making it possible to use Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum, what's going to happen? I mean, literally what's going to happen is basically more and more people will start using it. The price of the coin is going to start going up. So if you're an investor and you're looking for a good investment, pay attention to all the cryptocurrencies that are being accepted. That's pretty big. All right, we're over here, and this is the AMC CEO. I just wanted to play this for a second and hear what he has to say about cryptocurrency.
10 theaters just in a few weeks from now. That's an example of playing offense. Another example of playing offense, we're going to get quite involved in the world of cryptocurrency. We announced yesterday that we're going to be accepting Bitcoin as payment online for online purchases for AMC admissions and concessions. There's much more that we can do with cryptocurrency because we got a big population, an avid population of customers, of transactions, of consumers. That's an example of playing offense. There are a whole lot more ideas. We said we were going to go look at alternative programming. We just had our first 2 UFC fights that we showed at AMC theaters. Attendance was very strong. This month in August, we're showing our first 2 concert movies.
All right, so there you go. You got the CEO talking about how they're going to be accepting cryptocurrency by the end of the year. Now we actually know that it's Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum, and Litecoin are the ones that are being accepted. All right, over here at Robinhood, we just kind of want to go through a couple of the cryptocurrencies right here. So we're going to start over here with Bitcoin Cash. It's trading at $617 right now. If we take the last month, it was way up here at 786, and look, it's trending downwards right now. So let's not forget, like I said, that Bitcoin Cash since the summertime is up 50%, and right here it's $400. In June 20th, it was $400, $398. 50% of 400 is 2 and 4 is 600. Look at that. Bitcoin Cash since the middle of June is up 50%. That's why we pay attention to this stuff. So everybody's always looking for those gold nuggets. Pay attention to your charts. You'll find your gold nuggets and stuff. Right here, I'm going to show you Litecoin. Since Litecoin is being accepted at the AMC, we knew that this was over $200. Where was that? Look at this right here. It was over $200 a while ago. But Litecoin right here is another one you want to pay attention to. It's going to be used more. Let's go ahead and take a look at the Bitcoin itself. Bitcoin is at 47,777. So you definitely, these things at the bottom here, you can kind of see what it was doing 3 months ago, what it was doing a year ago. You know, take a look at a year ago. Bitcoin, November 4th, 2020, $14,000. You would have really liked to get in the Bitcoin November 4th, huh? Because right now it's at almost, what, 47,000. Let's see, what is it at? 47.7. There you go. You know, so to think about this, with cryptocurrency, you know, for the investors out there who are always looking for a good investment, anytime things are starting to be used more, Bitcoin's going to be used at the theaters now. Bitcoin Cash is going to be used at the theaters now. Litecoin is going to be used at the theaters now. All these things, Ethereum is going to be used at the theaters now. Those four are definitely, more people are going to use it. Guess what's going to happen? It's going to go up. The AMP coin, the Sheets network, Sheets, the gas station, is going to basically be accepting cryptocurrency using Flexa. There's 100, I mean, this is going to be crazy. So pay attention to all this. What are my predictions? My predictions are, as more and more things are being used at everyday things, when you can get a cup of coffee, when you get a gas, when you can get movie tickets with cryptocurrency, what does that mean? In my opinion, cryptocurrency is going to keep going up. Now, again, have some patience here, guys. We're not talking about in 3 days. I'm talking about if you got a 2-year plan, a 5-year plan, a 10-year plan. You know, it's okay to flip the things in a week or 2 or a month or 2, but in the long term, where is the Ethereum going to be at in 2 to 5 years? Where is Bitcoin going to be at in 2 to 5 years? Again, if you're looking for the long term. So with that, don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up and coming videos. I'm not trying to contact anybody on WhatsApp. That's not me. They're impersonating me, so don't pay attention to that. That is not me. Don't forget to click right here to see our most recent video on AMP coin. You can see about AMP. And then again, today is Sunday. Make sure you have an awesome day today. Go out and make a difference in the cryptocurrency. Do your little bit of research, an hour into studying different things. Have an awesome day today, everybody. See you tomorrow.